So everyone, remember, you forget me or not?
Not.
Or do you still recall?
I did not
recall me.
I did not. I also.
Okay, Abhinav, how are you? How are you, Jyotsna? How are you, Arav?
Fine, teacher. Fine.
I've seen her after a long time.
Fine.
Disha is new to me. Hi, Disha.
Hello.
Hola, everyone. So, tell me your progress. How much have you done in Spanish? What all? Anyone? Abhinav, you can tell me what all you've done till now.
Ma'am, I am not joining the class because this phone, which phone I have done the class, that is broken. And after yesterday, it has come.
Okay, okay. So everyone is able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can see this cute little baby here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so today we'll do parts of face. Okay, in Spanish.
Okay.
Arav, can you tell me parts of face in English? What is this in English?
What, ma'am?
Can you tell me parts of face in English?
Parts of face in English.
Yes, in English.
Ears.
Yes.
Head.
Yes, hair.
Lips. Cheeks.
Lips. Yes. What else?
Eyes.
Yes, eyes. Chin.
Nose.
Eyebrows.
Chin. Nose. Lips.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Very good. Very good. Okay, now we'll do it in Spanish. Okay, Jyotsna, Prakriti, Arav, Disha. Okay, great. So see, this one here is el pelo. You have to say it loud and also make notes. Write it down. El pelo. Okay, repeat after me. El pelo. On your mics, everyone, so that we can have an interactive session.
El pelo.
Okay. Jiva Ganesh. Yes, el pelo. Okay, Abhinav, Anvishi, every one of you say it loud. El pelo.
El pelo.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Very good. Okay, then we have is, everyone has written this, el pelo. We'll also have a quiz after this, okay? So you have to be attentive in class.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one we have is, after el pelo, la frente. That is the forehead. El pelo is the hair and the forehead is la frente. Repeat after me, la frente. Muy bien, Anvishi. Others also speak?
La frente.
La frente. Muy bien.
Ma'am, what is your body part in Spanish?
Ma'am, you're muted.
It's la frente. Okay, you've written it?
Ma'am, what we say body parts in Spanish?
Body parts. So we are doing, like right now we are doing parts of face. That is la cara.
La cara.
Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted. Muted. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Yeah.
Mute the other one. Use one device only to.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there will be too much of
Okay.
echo.
So the next one here is
No, you have to unmute
eyebrows.
one of the device.
Yes, she has unmuted one device.
Yeah, I've
Your
done
other
that.
device is not bringing any sound, Jasmine. I think you have to use this one only. You can just use one device.
I can
Is
hear.
it?
Now
Can
it's
you
okay.
hear me?
Now we
Yeah.
can hear.
Okay, great. So the other one we are going to do is eyebrow.
Ma'am, what do you say?
I am telling Aras that here is el pelo and forehead is la frente. Okay, the next one we have is the eyebrows. That is la ceja. Repeat after me, la ceja.
La Sekha.
Muy bien, Anvashi. Perfecto. Abhinav, you are a
La Sekha.
very good. Jochna. What about you, Jiva Ganesh? Say it, la ceja. That is the eyebrows. Okay. The next one is ear. La oreja. La oreja.
Sekha.
La oreja, ears. And both ears would be las orejas. That is the ears.
House.
Las orejas. And one ear is la oreja. One is written till here. You all have written?
Make that sign above the A. Ma'am, you forgot to make the sign above
Yeah.
the A. Ma'am,
Of the face, yeah, la cara. This one. La cara.
I'm saying that in this, why did the person who made the picture, he did not put the sign above the A. Why?
Sign above the ear. I'm not getting you, Jochna.
I'm saying there was a sign above the A. Do we have to put that sign?
Yeah, you have to put that sign. That is an accent. Yes. Like we have in Hindi, right? We have different matras, we say them. In the same way, we also have some accents in English. Sorry, in Spanish. Then eyes. That is el ojo.
El Ojo.
El ojo. Muy bien, Anvishi. Everyone else also say that. Abhinav.
El Ojo. Ojo.
Ojo. Ojos are the. And okay, Anvishi, if it's two, if we are talking about two eyes, it would be los ojos.
Los Ojos.
Okay? Yes, that are for two eyes. For one eye, it would be el ojo. Then we have is nose. La nariz.
La Nariz. And
La
for-
nariz.
Oh,
Only three are left, that are cheeks, chin, and mouth. La nariz.
and ma'am, for nostrils.
For nostrils, that goes a little deep. But for nostrils, we have the word. We'll do that also. That will come in parts of organs. We'll do that in body parts.
Ma'am, I think that Josna is writing in his drawing book.
Yochna, you're writing it in your drawing book?
Ma'am,
Jyotsna?
actually the book was, ma'am, actually my book, it was kept in my bedroom and my mother locked it. Now I have to use my drawing book. And now I'm doing this.
No problem. You can copy it in your fair book, okay? Again. So, la nariz, we are done.
Oh.
La boca. La boca is mouth. La boca is mouth. Okay? Mouth. Okay. Everyone has to write it, okay? Jiva Ganesh, are you writing it? Disha, are you writing it?
Only two.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to see you on screen. Okay, very good. Muy bien. Then the chin. La barbilla. So the double L in Spanish is pronounced as Y. La barbilla. What is it? La barbilla. Okay, say it loud.
La barbilla.
Not barbilla. Double L in Spanish is pronounced as Y. So it would be la barbilla.
La barbilla.
Yes, la barbilla.
Some people like who would not know Spanish, they would say barbilla.
Yes, barbilla. But yeah, it's barbilla. So
And
double L is pronounced.
La seja. Like that.
La sekha. Sekha. So J is, we'll also do this alphabets. J is pronounced as kh, KH. Kh in Spanish. So sekha, orekha, okho. Even my name is Jasmine, they'll say as Casmin. There is no J in Spanish. J changes to kh, KH.
G is
Sekha.
with the hint of Y.
Yeah, double L is pronounced as Y and J is as kh. Okay, we are left with, yes.
I had a Spanish lesson that they told me that J is pronounced by the hint of Y.
Yeah. Not Y, you can say it as kh, KH.
Okay. Naranja.
La mejilla. Again, it's not mejilla. Okay, it's mejilla. La mejilla. Okay, so you have to say it loud on your mics so that you can focus on the pronunciation. Muy bien.
La mejilla.
La mejilla. Okay, very good. So write all these down and we'll play a quiz.
No, ma'am, I did not write. Finish.
Yeah, once you've written, all of you will play a quiz.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay,
I
so tell me lista. When you have done, tell me lista. Lista is the word for done for girls, and for boys it's listo. Okay, so lista. Okay, Anvashi is saying lista. Any listo?
Listo.
Okay, listo. Very good, Ara. Yeah. So lista is the word for done for girls. For boys, it is listo. So I'll repeat them all again. El pelo, la ceja, la oreja, la mejilla, la frente, el ojo, la nariz, la boca, la barbilla. Okay?
Ma'am, is there any funny word in Spanish? It sounds very funny.
In Spanish, like no, but the word funny is divertido.
Oh.
And it's a new language, so maybe you guys feel a little funny, but yeah, when you speak it with your friends, they will get confused, right? What is she saying?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes they get confused and start to laugh.
Okay, great. You can tell them. You can also ask them to join and learn Spanish.
Yeah. Ma'am, like in Spanish, mi llamo is mi llamo.
Yeah, me llamo. You're getting it? Double L is pronounced as Y.
Yeah.
That is, I am called as.
Oh.
Okay, I think everyone is done. Jochna, are you done?
Ma'am, Just one more left.
Okay. Your drawing teacher will find Spanish in her notebook.
Yes. I had two. One is kept in another room, which is locked, and one book is kept in my mother's, in my bedroom, and is locked. So both of my rooms are locked. So I'm using my old and whatever book.
Jyotsna, you were in Ranchi, right? You came to Mumbai again.
Yes, from Mumbai I came to Ranchi.
Oh, you are in Ranchi now.
Yes. And I will also stay at Christmas only at Ranchi.
Prakriti is a student, Prakriti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Prakriti, why are you not participating?
Ma'am, I'm participating.
Okay, Prakriti, you've written it?
Yeah, I'm writing. I'm like 2 are left. I'm just writing.
Okay, very good.
Prakriti, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I finished.
Muy bien. So you have to say lista. Okay, Jyotsna, say lista.
Lista.
Lista. Okay, we have only 10 minutes. We also have to play the quiz. So be little fast.
Ma'am, I cannot draw proper things. I've drawn this. This is like a blah blah.
Okay. So Jyotsna, tell me whatever you have written. I've stopped my screen. I'll play the quiz now and then share my screen.
I've written El Pelo. La. Ma'am, what is this? CEJA.
La ceja.
La ceja. La frente. La oreja. La nariz. La boca. La ojo. La barbilla.
Ojo.
Yeah.
Yes, muy bien. So it's ojo, not ojo. Ojo. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So now we are going to play tic-tac-toe. Okay?
Okay.
So tic-tac-toe is like zero and cross. Let me share my screen.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Okay, very good. So we're going to play. Okay, which level should we play? Easy, medium, or hard?
Hard. Extreme. Extreme.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Easy.
Okay, let's do it with medium.
Hard.
Third time hard and fourth time extreme.
Yeah,
Okay.
extreme.
So we'll do it one by one, okay? Arav, choose anyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Choose anyone. 9.
Yes.
Okay. What is this, Arav? La oreja, la ceja, or el pelo? That's why I told everyone to write it down. I told you to be attentive.
I know.
Okay, whoever knows the answer, say it.
Can I say El Ojo?
El
Oh, it's not eyes, it's cheeks.
It's
Ear. La
ears.
oreja. First one.
La oreja.
Yeah.
Okay,
La.
muy bien, Anvishi. Very good.
Now I want.
Okay. Jyotsna, you want to choose. Okay, choose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uno. Okay. Oh, this one is a little easy. Okay, so what is this? La oreja, la nariz, or la mejilla? Anvishi knows the answer. And if anyone can read her lip sync, she's also said it.
La nariz.
Muy bien, Jyotsna. Very good. Perfecto. La nariz. Okay. So Anvishi, now it's your turn. Choose anyone. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Uno is already done. Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, cuatro. Okay. La oreja, la frente o la mejilla.
La mejilla.
Muy bien. Perfecto. So it's la mejilla.
Ma'am, no one. No one.
Jyotsna, Abhinav is also left. And Jisha is, I think, where are they gone?
Even
Where are
I.
the other ones?
Camera is off.
Okay, so Abhinav, choose one. Okay, Jyotsna, at last we'll have you again, okay?
Ocho.
Ocho. Okay, so Abhinav, what is this? El ojo, la mejilla or la barbilla?
Maria.
What? La barbilla, right?
Yes, la barbilla.
Yes. Muy bien. Perfecto, Abhinav. Yes, it's right. So now let's give it to Disha. Disha, choose anyone. I don't know whether you know numbers in Spanish or not, but you tell me in 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one you want to choose?
Ma'am, she is
My
new.
voice is breaking.
Okay, she's not there. Who else is a student here? Yeah. Jiva Ganesh, it's your
Ma'am,
turn. I know, Jyotsna, you want to do it.
Disha came.
Okay, Disha came.
Ma'am, no, I.
Okay, Jyotsna, you do it. Choose anyone.
Ma'am, आपको पूछना
I will like the seventh one. Seventh.
7 in Spanish is? No, there's no 7th in Spanish. You've done numbers.
1 minute.
Cinco.
She says 7. Siete. Muy bien. Very good. Perfecto. Okay, so choose one now. What is this? La frente, la oreja, or la boca?
La frente.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfecto, Jyotsna. Very good. You won. Okay, you all won. Okay, now we'll go with one. We'll go with
Extreme.
Let's go with
Extreme.
Okay, let's go with extreme.
Hard. I want hard.
Okay, Disha, it's your turn. Disha, choose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Disha, I think Disha has again left. Okay. Jiva Ganesh, do you want to choose one? Choose any one of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, second, third, fourth, fifth. Jiva. Okay, choose what is your favorite number? Tell me. From 1 to 9. You're not audible. Okay, let's give it to Arav again. Arav, Disha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Disha, so choose any one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, any of that.
2.
2, okay.
Dos.
So what is this, Disha? Is it el ojo or la nariz or la oreja or la frente? It's
La oreja.
la oreja. Muy bien. Perfecto. Very good. Very good, Disha. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jiva Ganesh, now you know how to do it. Choose any one of it. Choose any one box. You're not audible. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to hear you.
Speak loudly.
Are you able to hear him? Anvishi, what is he saying?
No, ma'am. He's
I
Okay.
can hear.
mic is
Okay,
on.
what he said? Anyone? If you're able to hear him.
I could hear.
Please write, Jiva Ganesh, please write in the chat.
Yeah. Till that, Anvishi, choose one. Uno, dos, tres,
Cuatro.
cuatro.
Yes.
Okay. So
La
sound.
Barbie. La Barbie.
We'll do it like this. It's
Ma'am, you have to press that sound. Yeah.
yeah. But that's, I'm not able to play that. It was La Barbia, but I didn't know which one is Barbia in that sound.
Mhm.
Okay, choose any other, Anvishi.
Ma'am, Jiva Ganesh has written 4.
4.
What?
Okay, 4. 4 is already done by Anvishi. It's cuatro.
That was wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, but because we chose the wrong sign, but of course you knew the answer already.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm on
Again sound. It's again sound. Let's try this one. Because if they're giving sounds, we'll not be able to do it here. Okay, choose one. Sixth one, right?
Cinco.
Six.
Yeah, six. Okay. Six.
Again, it's showing sounds.
Oh, it's showing sound.
Wait, let me see if I can. I don't think.
What
Okay, let's do this one. Six.
is? Yeah.
This.
Oh, Oreca.
I think Anvishi is only getting Oreca. It's the second time you got Oreca.
Yes.
Okay. Jyotsna, it's your turn.
I will do
In Spanish, okay? Uno, dos, tres,
cuatro,
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 cinco.
cuatro.
Cuatro, okay. So what is this? La Barbilla or La Mejilla?
I would say La Mejilla.
La Mejilla. Okay, let's check it. Yes, you're right. Correcto. Okay, perfecto. Mejilla. Okay, then it's Abhinav. Abhinav, your...
Yes, ma'am. I can't see your presentation, so I'm saying temporary. Please tell me it is there or not.
Ma'am, hello.
I choose Uno.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, you are mute.
You're on mute, ma'am. Please mute it.
Please unmute.
Ma'am, I'm mute.
Please wait. Hello, wait. She's coming.
Hola, yes. Hola, so yeah. So we have done it. I think time is also up. So you all know them now, right? La cara, that is the parts of the face.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, you also.
Yes.
Jiva Ganesh, we'll take you in the next class also, okay? Don't worry, I was not able to choose your option. But yeah, you participated. That's very good. Okay, everyone. So good night. Buenas noches. Adios.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Adios. Ciao. Buenas noches.
Happy Buenas noches.
Happy Buenas noches. Happy is feliz.